Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra siya pida ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium, kadukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam, hakador ka babin.
Menteri Jong Katanat Puli Puthi ubala kemen rumbui mentakasngi ka arpusan terik urumpang arjar arpuwei ula penrem jur ya ki runar ki badon kti bantangon bat ban syok pen mensau ya ki nong bela barjela ki bapentri ya ka Saint Xavier Girls Hostel ka badan hasnong oi Southwest Khasi Hills District haka janmit jong ka arpusau terik urumpang arjar arpuwei kat hadu ba uwei ni ki nong bela ya ubalatip kerteng kum uraju mondal ubadang arpu arsnem kerta baru badairu unong song shnong nakajela Assam. Habak rench kilat pathai kubor uba la kemen ula ong baki bor penyai jong ka nika school ki badai na kajinya selok Society of Jesus jong ka balang Catholic kila wan ban yekendo yu dangshen ha ka bakila pentip ru bakila yo ya ki kot kisla badan kam na ka benta ka jingsngan jong kini kinong bala. Hakajo ka por ula ong ru baki nogino ki badan kti halor ka nika kam runar ki daitang ki reu shem kabu ki reu khapot ki mento ki bakwa ban penthut ya ka shongsuk shongsan.
I condemn this coward act of this murderer who want to honestly to create the violence in that part of the state. As we know that Saint Xavier has set up the college in Umoi for the last 2 years. And now they are in the process of constructing the girls' hostel and boys' hostel and also the main campus. So they are constructing the girls' hostel. But yesterday, some people, Gawat people who went there, covering their face with masks, beat up those employee, those laborer there, and it's very unfortunate that one has lost his life and other has been injured. So I totally sympathize with the family and I condemn this act of violence against the unarmed people who come here with all the valid document, with all the valid permission to do the job there. The Saint Xavier College has already met me also last month that they are apprising me that they need some labor whom they will bring outside. So I have told them that to do all the formalities like this labor license as per required under the law, and they have complied all those necessary things, and in fact they have also taken the confidence of the district administration there, taking a confidence of the locals there. But it is very unfortunate, in spite of they go beyond which they should do, that this incident could happen. But having said that, today we have sent an IG to supervise and to know what is there and to nab this culprit as soon as possible. I speak now. I didn't get information that anybody has been arrested, so the police are still on the lookout of this miscreant, and I hope within a short possible time all of them will be brought into book. The night, I don't get it for sure, but it is about 15-20 people are involved in this act of violence there. You see, as I said, there is a law which governs for anything, and all the contractors, many of the contractors, I cannot say 10%, they have, whenever they bring any labor, they have done it as per provision of the law. So we from the police, from time to time, we have already issued the instruction, all the local thana, all the outposts, that to see that if there is any site on the construction, they should be vigilant. And we have also informed that any contractor, any company who come, they should inform the local thana so that if there is any need, then the police department could do. But in this incident, we never expect, because as I said before, that the authority of the Jesuit authority, the father, they have met most of the stakeholder there, and we didn't expect that after they meet the criteria of everything, that this act of violence, this murder act could happen in that particular place. Having seen the history of the NGO, whatever they do, they usually go during the daytime, check the document, and though they have no authority, and they told the labor to leave the site. That is the usual practice which done by this NGO. But in this instance case, so who, how? That's why I cannot say right now who is involved. So the police they have formed a team to track this culprit. I'm sure that within a very short possible time, that this culprit will be brought to book. And because the people who do this they are cowardice, they are thug, they are dacoit, who they have no thing to do but except that to see that where they could create this type of act, so that they could take advantage for the other crime which they may want to commit.